only restriction or lack of ability to perform an activity within the range considered normal. Would this be letter A, exceptionality, letter B, impairment, letter C, disability, or letter D, handicap? What is this? Okay, letter C, ang sigaw ng Team Freud. Letter C nga bang ating choice na? Yung pinaka-hint nyo dito, lack of ability. Wala kang ability, okay? And so of course, disability, di ba? So this means without ability. Okay? So letter C is the right choice. Ano nga po ba yung pagkakaiba ng ating impairment, disability, handicap? No? Yung hint po natin dito, IDH. I did not help. Pwede din, no? I did not help. Okay? So IDH. Unang-una po, kapag sinabi nating impairment, specific po siya. No? This is something that is wrong with a certain organ or with a certain part of our body. For example, when you say visual impairment, kapag sinabi mong visual impairment, apektado yung mata mo, di ba? Defective yung mata mo, di ba? So mata, eye is an organ, eye is a body part. Okay? So impairment po yan. No? Next is disability, inability, lack of ability. Yan na po yung ating sinasabi kanina. No? Disability is inability to do something because of an impairment. Ibig sabihin, no? You are visually disabled. Visually disabled ka kasi defective yung mata mo. No? Visually disabled ka kasi meron kang visual impairment. Dahil meron kang visual impairment, disabled ka. No? That's your disability. And of course, lastly, handicap. Ang handicap naman po, it's a broader term. No? Ibig sabihin po nito, meron kang disadvantage sa society dahil sa isang impairment or dahil sa iyong disability. Okay? So IDH, impairment, specific to a body part or specific to an organ. Disability, lack of ability, without ability because of your impairment. Then of course, handicap. No? Handicap is disadvantage in our society because of your impairment or your disability.